What's up, y'all? Baron here with Jungle Nation Pressure Washing and Roof Cleaning. Today I'm going to be cleaning a 600 square foot Christmas tree tent, but more importantly I'm going to be telling you guys how I all made $400 in 2 hours doing it. So stay tuned for how I landed this deal and for what it takes to add this to your business. And as always, if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. It really helps out the channel and I love producing my next video based on the comments you all give me. So I look forward to hearing your thoughts, comments, questions, concerns, whatever you got, bring it on. Without further ado, let's get wild and make money. So this job included both sides of this Christmas tree, tent, top, and bottom. And it was kind of interesting because it had a variety of different stains on it, so I knew it was definitely worth my while. When these vinyl tents pick up different types of stains, they can take a lot longer to clean than if it's just one type of stain because of different chemicals and techniques needed for each stain. This tent had a ton of mildew, some areas of rust, and even some areas of grease from maybe a grill or something. The story about how I ended up landing this job is actually pretty sweet, and it's really simple. As you can probably guess, it's almost Christmas time, and I always give my son the real Christmas tree experience. So I did some research in the area to find out who had the best and biggest trees, and someone referred this company to me. It looked cool and seemed family oriented, so we went down there in my truck. I didn't really have the intention to get a gig out of it because I really just wanted to give my son an awesome experience. We ended up having a lot of fun chasing each other in and out of all the Christmas trees and kind of playing hide and seek in there in this huge tent. Ooh. When we finally decided on a 9-foot Wisconsin Fraser fir, this one employee cut the bottom of it and carried it out to my truck while we paid. My truck is a massive billboard for my business. It's got a super clean wrap around it with my business name on both sides and on the tailgate in my brand's colors. It's super important to start with a brand and come up with a color scheme and then stay consistent with that on everything you do. I even use the same font in all of the different types of marketing that I do. I'll cover all this in a separate video. So the guy who helped us came back in and asked me about my pressure washing business. Boom, I knew it was happening right then and there. I already noticed how dirty the tent was in the back. I told him I've cleaned vinyl tents before and I handed him a business card. This is another thing that is super important. Always have business cards in your pocket and keep them in a protected wallet because if you just stuff them in your pocket, the corners get messy and they get all sweaty. So I quoted them $400 for this job and I finished it in 2 hours. $200 an hour. We're about at the end of the video here, y'all, so if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to let me know in the comments and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay till after these before and after photos to see my dog's reaction when I come home from a job. It's super awesome. I want you all to get to know me on a personal level so you know I'm a real person on the grind just like many of you. Again, if you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this channel, plus hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out like this. I'm trying to help everyone make money out in this economy right now. So one love to you all. Catch you on the flip side.
Hey y'all, Baron here with Jungle Nation Pressure Washing and Roof Cleaning. I'm just getting back from that Christmas tree tent that I did today, and I'm gonna be doing I'm coming home and I want you guys to see my dog's awesome reaction when I get home. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy it. You can already hear him. He's super excited. So here we go. Coming, buddy. How you doing? Hey! Hey! What is it? What is it? Hello! Hello! Come here! Come here! Hello, Mr. Floki! Hello! Come here! What? Can I have a kiss? Can I kiss it? Oh, I got kisses. Yeah, you excited?